I decided to include a list of important terms at the beginning of this lesson because taking a moment to pause and familiarize yourself with these terms will greatly assist you in developing that overall picture of single-phase electrical systems throughout this course. A few important terms that we'll go over now include alternating current. Alternating current is a type of electrical current in which the flow of electrons periodically reverses direction, allowing efficient transmission of power over long distances. This type of current is used in most households and business electrical systems because it is efficient for long distance transmission and can also easily be transformed to different voltages. Amperage. Amperage measures the flow rate of electric current in a circuit, typically expressed in amperes. And that current refers to the movement of electric charge through a conductor measured in amperes. This electric charge is the voltage, which we'll go over in the next slide. So current refers to the movement of that electric charge, and amperage measures the flow rate of that electric charge, essentially.